Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to view and export your Windows updates using a free program called Win Updates View. So once you download the zip file and extract it, you'll have these files here, and then you can just double click the executable to run it. And you can see you have all your items here, and you'll notice it kind of matches, or should match exactly actually, what you have in your Windows Update history here, which is kind of broken down into categories, but you can't really do much with this. But with this here, you could sort it by, title, description, KB number, result, if you want to see the aborted and failed, and you'll see that it color codes things, so yellow for aborted and red for failed, and so on. And if you go to the File menu, you could save all items as a CSV file or other types of files. So let's do that. Call this test. So now we have the CSV file. And that way you could do what you need to do here, filter it and sort it and send it out to others if needed. And you could also do it for selected items if you don't want to do the whole thing. And then under Edit, you could do searches, select all, deselect all, copy selected items. You have this quick filter. So if I want to do Defender, let's say, that's only going to show items for Windows Defender here, or Microsoft Defender. And you can kind of clear that out and turn that off from here. You also have the grid lines, if you want to have lines in between. Mark odd and even rows. You could do HTML reports, which will open it in a web browser. Then you could choose the columns. If you don't want to have all the columns, just specific ones, you can move them around and hide them and so on. Hide the Windows Defender updates. Change the fonts, advanced options. Oh, so it could also do a remote computer if you want to see the updates, but of course that's going to require some permission changes most likely if you're going to be accessing another computer remotely. Yeah, and that's about it. So it's pretty cool, pretty simple to use, just a nice way to see what you got and a way to organize it and filter the results so you can see what kind of updates you've been installing and when and their status and so on, and then especially if you need to export it for any particular reason. So I'll put a link in the description. You could download the program and try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.